Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be reviewing the Jinming ACR Gel Blaster. Yes, Gel Blaster. ACR is one of the, not legendary, but unique units that is not available. It was, how to say, it was supposed to be a replacement for the M4 but didn't happen. So it looks very, very unique. Looks very nice. And the airsoft version of this one is also very expensive and very quite rare for me. So I'm really happy to have a gel blaster variant for this one. So without further much ado, let's get into it. First, quality. Again, it's an all nylon construction. Although it feels different from the usual. Well, I don't have the Saima here. It feels weird, and it looks nice. It feels nice, but not that nice. It's hard to explain, but it's still nylon, so you know it's strong. When it comes to trades, there are a few, but it's printed. See, SN, ACR, blah 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 blah. There is BF Lion something something here, and model something something, which is nice. Okay, here also, but it's nice, but it's printed. It's not even engraved or embossed. So it's just painting something onto it. So, when it comes to features, it's quite weird that the selector switch is on the on the right side. So it fits leftist like me. Leftist. Left-handed people, not leftist. So it's nice. See, selecting, and this one doesn't work, or this is only a display, or it's ambidextrous, but I don't know which one is working. Wait, let me try. Say. Oh, sorry. This one moves, but does nothing. So, nabudol ako. My mistake, sorry. It's still here on the right side, so safe, semi, full auto. Sounds weird. Battery space, it's one of its cons. Because they wanted to preserve the looks, and they placed the battery here, and this has very, very limited space. Screwdriver, which don't want to hurt my nails. This is the battery space. Very limited. See, battery. This is a 7.41. So it's basically it around here. Very small. Close the flap. And one also the disadvantage of this one is since the connector is here, if you keep doing closing and closing, it will hurt the wires. So it's not recommended to keep doing that. So let's see, it hurts the wires. I'm going to, if I have time, whenever that happens, I'm going to put, oh, but this one is screwed. Hope you can put the battery around in here in the front. It has latch. Yes, latch works. Okay. I think you can see, and release. Oops. release, which is also ambidextrous. Nice. Looks cool. It has no prime, so nothing. No manual prime. This one doesn't work. I thought it was an ambidextrous mag release. It's still on here on the other side. And if I remember correctly, it is different. Oops, it doesn't feed that well. This is a Jinming magazine, but it fits. So it's really tight. So again, it's Jinming doing whatever they want. Oh, this one has trades too. See, trades, which is nice, and it's translucent parts. You can see the gels inside. The Jinming mag, the Jinming mag fits, but doesn't feed that well, and it feeds. I mean, it fits not too well also. Nothing like this one. See, it's good. Gels. Weight. This is an all nylon, including the gearbox, so it's light, around more than a kilo. Not much, not near the 2 kilos. Very light. FPS, since this is a Jinming, it averages around 200 to 20. So, and this is a version 2 type, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this is a version 2 type, so you have lots of options for the upgrades. Range, this one has a plastic barrel. See, plastic, and it moves, which affects the accuracy. Will hit my 10-meter range, but again, you have to hold it higher. Basically, angle it a little bit higher for it to reach. Because again, without hop up, gel blasters have very limited range. Price? Ooh, how much is this one? I got this as a cross trade from MYK. I forgot how much I got this one. You can find a link in the description if I can find it in Lazada. So I think 5,000, something like that. It's quite unique. So very nice. It looks, if you use it in the game, people will look at you because it's not the usual, and it's folding stock. Even though it's limited, and there's no lock here. Supposed to be a lock here that hits here. What? No. Anywho, it's ACR stock. It looks so nice. Well, anywho, wait, I need to remove the battery. I might forget again. This is a very unique unit, and it's nice to have or to be added to your collection. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!